Good morning, dear students. Next topic that we are going to cover is page number 19, Indian Freedom Fighters. So in this chapter you have to identify the pictures of these freedom fighters. The picture number 1 is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, was an Indian queen of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi in North India, currently present in Jhansi district in Uttar Pradesh. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian rebellion of 1857. Now, this person you all know very well. He is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was born in 1907 at Chak number 105 GB, Banga village in Lailpur district of the Punjab province of British India, present day Pakistan. He was an Indian socialist revolutionary. His 2 acts of dramatic violence against the British in India and execution at age of 23 made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. Next one is Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independence activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India and a central figure in Indian politics before and after independence. He served India as Prime Minister from its establishment as an independent nation in 1947 until his death in 1964. Next important figure is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian nationalist, teacher and independence activist. He was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. He was conferred the title of Lokmanya, which means accepted by the people. Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of modern India. This is the picture of B.R. Ambedkar. The full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination towards the untouchables. Next important figure is Sarojini Naidu. She was an Indian political activist and poet. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. Next picture here is Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. Vallabh Bhai Jhawar Bhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. This picture is of Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji. He was an Indian nationalist whose defiant patriotism made him a hero in India. This is the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was an Indian lawyer and anti-colonial nationalist. He employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule. Now here is the book page 19 for you. So very carefully write down the names of these famous freedom fighters and learn these spellings very carefully. And don't forget to learn the fact file also. Have a nice day.